Hello everyone, and welcome. When you hear NASA in panic, it often sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. But for the teams behind the Voyager 1 spacecraft, every anomaly, every silent moment from deep space, can send a genuine jolt of concern through mission control. Voyager 1, humanity's most distant ambassador, is over 24 billion kilometers away, bravely venturing into interstellar space. But what happens when this incredible pioneer suddenly starts sending back gibberish? Today, we're diving into the recent perplexing mystery that had NASA engineers scrambling, the Voyager 1 data glitch. Get ready to understand the real panic, the intense, high-stakes puzzle solving at the very edge of human communication. 1. Voyager 1, our interstellar pioneer. First, let's understand why Voyager 1 is so important and why any trouble with it is a big deal. Humanity's farthest reach. Imagine a spacecraft launched in 1977 that has now traveled beyond our solar system, into the vast, unknown expanse between stars. It's the only human-made object in interstellar space. Decades of discovery, Voyager 1 has given us breathtaking close-ups of Jupiter and Saturn, discovered new moons, and sent back invaluable data about the heliosphere, the protective bubble created by our sun. Still communicating, after nearly 47 years, it's still sending back scientific data, albeit slowly, across billions of miles. This continuous connection is a testament to incredible engineering. Voyager 1 is a living legend, a symbol of human ingenuity, making its continued operation critical for science. 2. The November 2023 mystery, gibberish from the void. The panic began in November 2023 when Voyager 1's main computer system, the Flight Data Subsystem, FDS, started acting strangely. The problem, instead of sending back coherent scientific or engineering data, the FDS began transmitting a repeating pattern of ones and zeros that was completely meaningless, essentially, gibberish. It was like receiving a garbled, unreadable message from a friend. Loss of vital data. This wasn't just a minor glitch. The FDS is responsible for collecting data from Voyager's science instruments and packaging it for transmission back to Earth. Without it, the spacecraft was effectively blind and mute, scientifically speaking. The scale of the problem, remember, signals from Voyager 1 take over 22 hours to reach Earth, and another 22 hours for a command to reach the spacecraft. This means every diagnostic step, every attempted fix, was a nearly 2-day waiting game. The team was troubleshooting a problem over 24 billion kilometers away, in almost real-time decades in the past. This was a genuine head-scratcher, threatening the final phase of this historic mission. 3. The NASA team's panic-focused problem-solving. So, was NASA actually in panic? Not in the chaotic sense, but certainly with an intense, focused determination to save the mission. Limited resources. Imagine trying to diagnose a problem on a computer from the 1970s that's unimaginably far away, with only limited power and no way to physically access it. The team had to use aging ground equipment and decades-old documentation. The forensics of spacecraft, engineers became digital detectives, meticulously analyzing the garbled data, trying to find any tiny clue that could indicate what was going wrong within the FDS. This involved deep knowledge of the spacecraft's original design and behavior. Creative solutions. They couldn't just send a software patch like for your phone. Every command had to be carefully crafted, tested, and sent across the vastness of space, hoping for a response nearly 2 days later. This requires immense patience, ingenuity, and teamwork. This was less about fear and more about the incredibly high stakes and the intellectual challenge of fixing a unique problem in an unprecedented scenario. 4. The breakthrough, a clever workaround. After months of painstaking effort, the NASA team achieved an incredible breakthrough. Identifying the cause, in April 2024, they discovered that the FDS issue was likely caused by a single, tiny section of memory that had been corrupted. It wasn't a catastrophic failure of the entire system. The patchwork solution, because they couldn't just fix the corrupted memory, they came up with a brilliant workaround. They decided to move the affected FDS code to other, still working parts of the FDS memory. Sending the fix, this required breaking the FDS code into smaller, manageable pieces and sending them over several weeks, individually, to different locations in the FDS. Each transfer involved a nearly 2-day round trip. Success. In April and May 2024, after carefully sending these fragmented code pieces, Voyager 1 began sending back understandable engineering data, and then, finally, scientific data once again. This patchwork fix was a triumph of engineering and perseverance, demonstrating how the team adapted to severe limitations. 5. What this means: lessons from the edge of space. The Voyager 1 saga is more than just a tech story, it offers profound lessons. Resilience of engineering, it highlights the incredible durability of the original Voyager design and the ingenuity of the NASA engineers who built and continue to operate it. Value of perseverance, the months of meticulous, patient troubleshooting underscore the dedication required for deep space missions. Pushing boundaries, Voyager 1 continues to teach us about interstellar space, a region no other spacecraft has explored. Every bit of data is precious. The future of space exploration, the challenges faced by Voyager 1 provide invaluable lessons for future long-duration missions, emphasizing the need for robust, adaptable systems and creative problem-solving from billions of miles away. Voyager 1's crisis wasn't a moment of panic, but a testament to human intellect pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Conclusion. The recent gibberish from Voyager 1 wasn't a sign of NASA in panic disarray, but rather a compelling example of the extraordinary challenges and triumphs inherent in deep space exploration. It was a high-stakes puzzle that demanded immense skill, patience, and a deep understanding of aging technology across billions of kilometers. Voyager 1 is back, continuing its historic journey, and its temporary silence only amplified the awe we feel for this incredible interstellar pioneer and the brilliant minds dedicated to its mission. Outro. What did you find most amazing about the Voyager 1 story? Do you think it will keep going for another decade? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the wonders of our universe. Thanks for watching.